Hello, my friends. For reading today, we're going to kind of follow the same format that we've been following, even though we don't have actual paper versions of these things. So if your parents have the ability to print it, it has all been put in the Google Classroom as well on Jojo in the portfolio side. If they need me to send them in an email, I can send it in an email as well. So we're going to do the same thing with a new story this week and 2 new word families. So I think we can do this. If you do not have the ability to print these words, there's a couple different ways you can do this activity. You can write the words on small pieces of paper and cut them out that way, and you can sort them out that way into your 2 different word families. You can also write them on your whiteboard as well. You can do both if you would like. So we're going to start with one set of words, and we're going to look to see what is the same and what do they have in common. So in common means what is the same about these 3 words. So I have this word, and this word. Now this is a B, it is not a D. So let's sound out this top word. Ready? At, rat. At, sat. This last one, remember I said it was a B. At, bat. So what is the same about all of these words? You're right, they all have at in the word. So we have bat and sat and rat, and they all rhyme because they all are part of the at word family. So on my whiteboard behind me, I'm going to try to scooch you a little bit closer without losing the marker, because we all know what happened a couple weeks ago when I lost the orange marker and rolled across the room in the middle of our lesson. So we're going to scooch it closer. Hopefully you can see it a little bit better, and we're going to write these words. So we had the at word family. What was that first word again? Sat. Let's sound it out. Sat. What's our second word? Rat. Rat. And our last word was bat. Very good. Excellent job, my friends. Camera, try not to get real close so you don't see up my nose, because we all know that's not going to be pretty. There's boogers in there, I'm sure. All right, ready? Next set of words. We have the first one, our second one, and the third one. Take a minute to look at those words and see if you can see what is in common. What's the same? Let's sound them out. Start here. App, lap. App, map. This one is app, tap. So what is the same about them? You're right, they all have the app part in them. They rhyme. Lap and map and tap rhyme. So they all have app in them. So let's write them back here on our board with the app word family. We have app. First one was app, lap. And we had app, map. Then I had app, tap. So you're going to go ahead and do this and sort all of the words in your packet. I just have a few. There are more in your things. If you don't have the ability to print them, you have the ability to see them and write them on a piece of paper so that you can play with them. I will see you tomorrow. We'll go play with the words some more.